One thing I don't do in restaurants that always makes people wonder, why doesn't she do that? Hey gut feelers, my name is Peggy from PeggySherman.com. I warmly welcome you to Gut Feelings. This channel is here to support you to become your own health expert. So you have all the freedom, you take your energy back and you go out there and manifest your dreams in the world. Today I'd love to share with you a thing that I'm doing for, 10 years or more, which seems so natural for me, but when I go out with friends, with new friends, they always look like, what is she doing? Why is she doing that? They don't understand. So I thought it might be interesting for you to share that and see if you want to incorporate that as well as part of your new healthy lifestyle choices. Now, picture this. You just arrive in the restaurant with your family, your friends. You started sitting down at the table. The waitress arrives. They hand over the menu. And of course, there comes the sentence, what would you like to drink? Then everybody around orders their drinks, and then what happens is they stare at me, they look at me, and I know what's coming, and I just say, no, thank you, I pass. I go without drinks. This is the number one thing that I do differently. I don't eat and drink at the same time. Now, why am I doing this? Why am I not drinking and eating at the same time? Well, for me in the beginning, when I started out this habit, it was really strange. I always felt like, I'm missing something. But by now, I think it was like after a week I changed. Now it's like so counterintuitive, you know? It's like the opposite. It's almost like, no, I'm eating. I'm not drinking. When you eat something, your body needs to produce enzymes to digest the food. Your liver needs to produce bile to help break down the fats. You have insulin from your pancreas absorbing the sugars, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. And then when you drink on top of the food, what you basically do is you make it harder for your body to digest and absorb the nutrients. You dilute the digestive enzymes, you dilute the bile, and your body even needs to produce more of these to be able to now take care of the much bigger volume that you have in your stomach. If you want to try this out and you feel like immediately after you ate or while you're eating, you're getting thirsty, this is something to watch out for. First, if you get thirsty while you're eating, it's likely that you're eating foods that are too salty. Yeah, it's just over seasoned. So your body naturally triggers this urge for having water. It can also be a sign that you eat too many different foods altogether. The worst thing you can do is drink a soft drink, something high in sugars, a Coca-Cola for example, or even just a fruit juice, and at the same time eat some fish or eat some meat or even just a whole avocado, foods that are high in protein, high in fat. This will make it so much more difficult for your body and your body will get overwhelmed. Why is that? Because when you have fat and protein present in your body and at the same time you eat sugar, your blood sugar level will stay high for a long period of time, exhausting your pancreas, exhausting your insulin production, needs to produce more insulin, and also pathogens like Streptococcus, Epstein-Barr, all kinds of fungus can feed off this high blood sugar, which is high over a longer period of time. If you eat just a banana, a ripe banana for example, your blood sugar level will rise slowly and will go down again like this. But if you have high fat, high protein and you drink a soft drink, it will go like this. Chuck, and then it will fall down. So if you feel thirsty while you're eating, you either eat too salty or you eat too many different foods together or you eat just too much. Your body feels overwhelmed. It can also be that you were dehydrated in the first place before you started eating and then you eat just cooked food. Cooked food is dehydrated by itself, so going for raw salad, going for something fresh would be a better option to kickstart this habit. Now you hear me saying habit because it's really also a brain thing. For me it was the same when I stopped drinking milk. I first missed it and then I found it like really, I hate milk. Just the smell of milk makes me like, I don't want to say that word. It was the same thing with drinking and eating at the same time. The third thing is, if you feel thirsty while you're eating, it can also be habit. If you do that a few times, then your body just shifts states. Okay, we're not drinking and eating at the same time. Your body will adjust to that. One last tip before we end this video. What I'm doing if I go out to make sure before I arrive at the restaurant, I'm well hydrated. I don't go anywhere without my water bottle, which contains high quality water, so I don't have to rely on any kinds of plastic bottled water or even tap water. I just have my water supply always with me, and then I stop drinking when we arrive at the restaurant, so it's usually 30 minutes then before the food arrives, 30 minutes before I don't drink. If I eat a meal that is high in fat and high in protein, which takes a longer time to digest, I would even not drink like 1 hour or 2 hours after eating. And if I just have a salad, something fresh, or a soup, I might have a tea or something like 30-45 minutes after the meal. If you like to try this out, I highly recommend you get somebody on board, share this video, and then ask somebody to join you for the challenge. Maybe you want to go together to the restaurant and try this out, see how you're doing. It will be so beneficial for your intestines. You will absorb nutrients better, have less bloating, and just in general, digest your foods much better and also take off the burden from the liver to produce more bile than is necessary. Guys, let me know in the comments below with whom you're going to do this challenge. Maybe it's one person, maybe these are 2 friends. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.